Indian Premier League 2026 match number 25 Gujarat Titans vs Kolkata Knight Riders. Match played at Narendra Modi Stadium, Ahmedabad. Kolkata Knight Riders won the toss, elected to bat first. Kolkata Knight Riders 20 overs 180 runs all out. Cameron Green is the highest scorer, 79 runs 55 balls. Then Gujarat Titans best bowling spell, Kagiso Rabada 4 overs no maiden, 29 runs 3 wickets taken. Gujarat Titans 19.4 overs 181 runs lost by 5 wickets. Shubman Gill is the highest scorer, 86 runs 50 balls. Then Kolkata Knight Riders best bowling spell, Barun Chakraborty 4 overs no maiden, 34 runs 2 wickets taken. Gujarat Titans won by 5 wickets in this match. Player of the match, Shubman Gill. Congratulations, Gujarat Titans.